Hello, Namaste, and welcome to My Time, My Health. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the swollen feet. It is a very common issue faced by everyone, especially the female who are actually standing for long hour in front of gas and the kitchen. That time they get this swollen feet. Many a times if you are sitting long time sitting or in front of computer, which also lead to the swollen feet. So I am here today with a homeopathic yoga practice and home remedies which will help to give you a instant relief from this swollen feet. So first we will talk about the homeopathic remedy. In homeopathy we are having wonderful remedy Apis mellifica. This is a very good remedy if you are having swollen feet with a burning on the feet and there is a heaviness on the feet. That time you can use this remedy. Another remedy is bryonia. If you are having even along with the swelling joint pain is there, that time you can use this bryonia 30 medicine which not only reduce the swelling, also it help to reduce the ankle pain too. Now we will go ahead with the yoga practice. In yoga, first of all, important practice named as Viparita Karni. Viparita Karni is a asana where the feet are going up and head is down. That time the circulation goes toward the heart and brain and it helps to reduce the swelling. Another practice is Tadasana, which is very good practice to strengthen the ligaments of the legs and the ankle ligament and which strengthen your ankle. Another practice in yoga, you can do the ankle rotation. Ankle rotation is helpful for improving proper circulation to the ankle joint and it improves the mobility of ankle joint and reduce swelling. Now we will go ahead with the home remedies. Like if you are sitting for a longer time on chair and that time if you are getting swelling, after coming home you just keep your feet in lukewarm water, add pinch of salt into it which help to reduce this swelling. Another important, at night time bedtime you can do the gentle massage to the feet and the ankle, which is also a good remedy to reduce this swelling. So you can do the massage with either mustard oil or you can do massage with a coconut oil, whatever oil you find it at home, you can do massage. And third important practice that you can do at home is if you are having that burning feet, that also you can keep your feet in the water, cold clean water also fine, and then remove it, clean it properly and relax. Yes, legs are ankles are very important. Swelling shows different kind of disease and the problem in the body, but no worries, you can tackle with this a simple homeopathic remedies and home remedies and yoga this issue. If you're having any issue related like this with the health, you can just text me, message me in comment box. I'm there to form or do video here. Thank you.